Look at here, I broke my fucking Xbox, boys. Oh my god. Oh, damn it.
Beauty. What?
I just fucking fixed it! Yes!
You fucking fixed
Yeah! Fuck.
You fucking... Oh my god.
Suck it! Fucking right.
How the fuck does that work?
Yeah, I'm glad I recorded that.
Put in a shitty game, see if it works. What's a shitty game?
COD 4.
COD 4? You're gonna...
COD 4 it is!
Yeah, let's see if you can read it first. Oh, I gotta get your controller.
Oh my god.
Want me to pause it or no?
No, don't. Go get my shit. Oh, I need to put my hard drive and shit in again. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my god, I'm a fucking genius, everyone. Fuck me. That's going on YouTube, fixing your Xbox.
Fix your Xbox.
Canadian style. The fucking rights.
There, connected back.
Here we go, boys. Moment of truth, yeah. That's what I'd say is to them.
The moment of truth right here.
Yes, let's make sure she's working. Wow, I can't believe that just worked.
Fucking jam it in and it works.
Oh, fuck me.
That's how shit works nowadays.
Yeah. That's beauty.
Just load the game. Oh, it's loading.
OMG, everyone.
Shut.
Look at this. It is reading. I should be some type of pro who makes Xboxes. Just fix that shit. Look at that. Playing some COD. Fucking rights, okay.
Work at Microsoft and just jam shit in there. See
Yeah, just fucking... That's probably better than what they fucking do.
Like, oh, tried. I'll give you a new Xbox.
It'd take them like a fucking full day to get that shit working. I'm just like, fuck that. I'm gonna get your shit working in 10 minutes.
It takes like a month to get your Xbox back. Like a year.
That's fucking bitch. How do you have to turn off your Xbox after you put the hard drive in?
I don't know, but
I think
it
you
works
do.
now, so. That's fucking unbelievable.
Yeah, that's fucking crazy. Time. Look at this. Works fine. Look at this. How many times I can do it? 1, 2. Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh, there it is. I was just hitting too much. It's alright, boys. Okay.
It works like a charm when you fucking just...
Fuck me. Well, now you know it's impossible to break disc trays, everyone. There's an important lesson for you. Doesn't matter.
How to fix
Use this bitch to jam, get it out of there after I broke it. No big deal. Yeah, so there you go, YouTube and everyone else that sees this. This is how you fix your goddamn Xbox when it's fucked. Okay, what is going on here? Why can't I sign? Okay, well, there you go. That's how you fix it. Goodbye.